Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to soar it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're tuning into this video, if you want to know how to recession-proof your finances. And so before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the bell notification so you'll be the first one to know when I upload another video. If you've done all two, then hey, welcome back to the Money Control TV. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first way is to increase your emergency fund. So I know a lot of you probably follow Dave Ramsey and stop at 1K. We don't stop at 1K. We continue to build so that when recession comes, that you don't have to be robbing Peter to pay Paul. You don't have to take out a lot of loans to cover your bills. It's just, hey, you have that emergency fund there. So increase your emergency fund. And so I would say you have hidden money around your house. So hey, sell something that you don't like, you don't need, you don't use, and simply can't fit, and sell it. So I'm going to put my link to my offer up course, how I was able to pay off debt just by selling some of the things around this house. So increase your emergency fund. Do it today. Number two is get laser focused on paying off your debt, right? Laser focused. So you can, hey, build up your emergency fund and pay off debt at the same time. You don't have to compromise either one. You can do it both, right? So get laser focused on paying your debt. Don't wait, till the full length of the loan to pay it off. As much as you can, begin to be laser focused. Every extra dollar, put it on your debt, because when recession comes, hey, that's one less thing that you have to worry about. And I'm telling you, when recession comes, not if it comes, but when it comes, you do not have that financial burden, that financial stress on your shoulders. So make sure you get laser focused, right? Sometimes you have to give up the good in order to get the great, and the great would be, hey, you're debt free when recession comes. Number three is have more than one income source, right? So hey, when recession comes, they might lay off jobs, and so you'll be in a position that you still have income coming into the house. And so make sure that you have more than one job. I'm definitely going to put the link to the video above this video on one source that you can, income source that you can create. Also down below in the comment is my number one recommendation on how to make money online. So think about creating more than one income source. I like to say this: if you are good at something, don't do it for free. And so if you need help with that, I'm also going to put a link down below in the description box to my calendar, so I can help you to increase your emergency fund. I can help you get laser focused on your debt. And then also going to help you monetize your skill set and help you create more than one income. Number four is keep your credit score high, you guys. And so I know right now, before recession comes, strive to keep that credit score high, right? High. And so one thing is to do is, number one is to make sure that you pay your bills on time. Number two is making sure that you don't max out the credit utilization of your credit cards. And so keep your credit card high. Keep it high. Don't apply for unnecessary credit when you know your credit score is not at the standard where it's going to be approved. So keep your credit score high. Again, if you need help with that, I'm going to put the link down below to my calendar so I can help you with that. And number five is always live within your means. What that means is, hey, if you can't afford to do it, don't try to do it. This is why budgeting is so important, because budgeting tells you what you can and cannot afford to do at that time. So think about living below your means, because when you can live below your means, when recession comes, that you don't have to be searching for all this money to pay for your lifestyle. So look at things that you truly need, right? Making sure that you keep the main thing the main thing. So those are 5 things to help you to become recession proof when the recession comes. So again, you guys, I'm gonna put all the links to what I mentioned in my video down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.